Hello guys, I'm the in front of you all, and today we got a very nice place, and we are coming here, and you can see that the view of the Great Kebab Factory is one of the good restaurant. The mostly this restaurant is famous for non-veg, but you can also there is a place where available veg also. If anybody who wants to come here, they can come here. They can eat whatever they want. Only 1,000 rupees per plate, and how much you want to eat you can, and whatever you want to eat you can, whatever you need to eat, because there are numbers of things, there are numbers of food items available here: ice cream, non-veg, mutton, fish, prawns, fish. There are numbers of types of non-veg items are available, and you can come even if you are book for party and all. If you want to book for party, then you will get also discount. I think 30 or 40%. The means 600 or 650 rupees per plate. If you have 100 members of party or 50 members, so you can come here. You can see that there are numbers of glasses for the person who wants to eat there. You can see that there are everything's available here. Ice cream items. You can see there is ice cream counter. Ice creams are also available. Also, if you want to eat anything, you can come. You can see that the means different types of non-veg items like paneer, makhan wala, kadal veg, aloo jeera, means numbers of items. The Suni dal tadka, dal factory means there are numbers of items are available here. You want to eat here, then chili garlic fried rice, veg manchurians, penny in white sauce. The numbers of items are there are numbers of items are available here, and you can see he is one of the person who is the manager of this restaurant. What do you want to speak, sir? And you are working more than 2 or 3 years, and he has great experience in this restaurant. So we want to know about that. How was your experience? He was busy and he don't want to talk now because he has a lots of work in this restaurant. You can see that there are numbers of places you can visit here. There is if you want to conference, there is a one place. This is only for booking count, like if you want to book that table they can book, but there is also one more things available here. If you want to for conference or business meeting, if you want to business meeting, you can come here and book this room. It is a very beautiful place because you will get peace and silence. So it was nice, and thank you guys for listening.